what's going on?
No. I'm gonna tell you no people. You look a setup. Camera setup and everything. I'm gonna tell you man. You see right now, we know Jamaicans stay and we love with fruits and thing. And banana there and some mango and orange and thing. But me happy, like you don't know what one. Finally get a boy for do some dishes and thing. And him do half of them and I don't know. I feel like pot guy thinks that pot and plate and you see him thing, you see me? See what him do? See what him do. Now people, you get a couple mango, you know, that we are chilling on the side. See mango there? We have to go take off from the city right now. But me never know say mango can sour so. I swear. Never know if mango can sour so. I swear, but they not that bad. It tastes Jamaica dish. I know Jamaica mango originates still, you know, but you know, anything we good we have at Jamaica, we act like how we alone have it done. So for the Saturday over there, I make some breakfast and things. But I just want to shorten up. Make you know so we out here. We out and doing the do. Yeah. Doing the good things. People. Enough respect. Enough respect. Thing we want to do. Support you anyway. Out here over on my TikTok. Over on my next channel. Teacher P down now. Big up yourself now. Continue support. Share me out and all of them something there. You know? Yeah man. Big up on yourself, you know. 876 Robert. Taxi man. Lose your channel. Yeah, start it from scratch again. Blessings, you know. Big up yourself, you know. Don't mean like kitchen here. Yo, Juliana Swell. Juliana Empire. Yeah man, bless up on yourself, you know. Yeah. And for all my Filipinos, Raquel, big up on yourself. Yeah. Much respect. Yeah, much love. Everybody who support me. You know, who don't have a channel, just come out and support. Yeah man, I want to make that thing right, you know. I want to make that thing work. Yo, the mango is sour. I want to go part the pan in, we're sweet. Hope that's all. Yeah man. Now go back home. So wash them pot here, you know, because I'm going to wash the pot in. You know what I say? Go make it do it and thing. But eventually, right now we are coexisting. Yeah. We teach you lessons of life, you know. Make them learn it step by step, little by little. We administer it, and then just take time learn it. Don't. Yeah, man. Yeah, see, that's what the thing said. Yeah, man. Big up everybody who has support over here. So look out for the next video I drop. And remember, check out the edge with yours truly, clear. Yeah. And over there, so we are going with some things for you. And if you're a TikTok person, you know, man, go over TikTok, Clean _ ST _ Oliver. Yeah, I go enjoy yourself over there. So over there, so we make a whole heap of little fun gimmicks, video and thing like that, and it work. You see me? 19,000 strong. You see what I say? So buckle up, man. Buckle up and roll out. And we have build up some communities around here. Build up some social media communities so that we can see there. So the thing said, dog. Yeah, man. Run off Robert thing to, you know, and make them get some watch time and thing. Because, you know, each one support one, each one teach one. You see what I'm saying? So the cannon here, Rebel T7. Alright? Yeah, one of my main camera then. Camera is just the cable, you know, main camera. Really are going into it. Normally we use up the phone then. Yeah, I have me thing on the 4K camera for me on my computer to plug in every now and then. So when I say you can just carry the laptop camera anywhere I want to go. Okay, camera. Just I don't need 4K videos still. Yeah. 1080p, you know, kind of good enough for what we are doing. There's a thing there. So we are saying bless up, you know, to everybody. Yeah, one thing you start up, man. Start up. No, I'm using yesterday, but the battery did dead. Yeah, man. We are say blessings. We are going good with that thing, yeah. Yeah, man. So me and some people, I go run off a little boat for breakfast and thing. And then we go link you up and we go run a live in idea. In the afternoon and thing. We go live over on the edge where we go chat about one of the greatest dancehall artists ever. Merciless. Yeah, man. A whole heap of things are going around there, so. Yo, a whole heap of lessons that can be learned from that man's life. You see what I say? Yeah, man. Big up. Bless up.